Each Magnatech system is individually designed to accommodate specific welding applications and a range of tube or pipe sizes. The D-head is designed for applications with limited radial space pipe to pipe. It quickly attaches to piping with variably sized interchangeable rings. The D-head is designed for multi-pass gas tungsten arc welding, pipe to pipe and pipe to fitting. The D-head has full function capability. With its 200 amp water-cooled torch, it has the capability to continuously reproduce all of the motions of a skilled welder. Its filler wire system uses a standard 2-pound or 1 kilogram spool with a range of wire diameters. An optional low-profile kit reduces radial clearance to just 2 inches or 51 millimeters. The D-head's torch oscillation is independently programmable. Width, speed, and endpoint dwell can be individually adjusted. Cross-seam steering is electronically controlled with a remote pendant. In addition, an electronic arc voltage control maintains your programmed arc length. Multiple adjustments provide precise positioning of filler wire entry into the weld puddle. The D-head improves productivity by increasing the duty cycle and reducing repair rates while producing welds of extraordinary consistency. The end result is a weld that meets all welding code standards. The applications for the D-head include the fossil and nuclear power industries, the chemical industry, shipyard construction, as well as process piping.